Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make another project using elements from the Ho 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 October 2022 paper pumpkin kit. I'm going to make a gift bag. I've made one of these in a previous paper pumpkin kit, but I'll just run through how we're going to do it one more time. So we are going to score at 1 inch. So I'm lining up at the 1 inch. Just make sure that I'm in frame for you. Am I in frame? I am in frame now. Okay, so we're going to line it up at the 1 inch and we're going to score. But when we get to kind of the midpoint where the envelope is only a single layer, we're going to let up on the pressure. So I'll do this one this way so you can see. Line it up at 1 inch and then press down. But when I get to here, I'm going to lift up just a little bit. So I just don't want to push through the paper. And then we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to line up at 1 inch and we're going to score. So what you end up with is, I don't know if you can see the score lines, but they run here, here, and here. Then we're going to take and we're going to fold on those score lines like this. Fold it both ways so that the edges are really, really pliable. Okay, before we do anything else, we're going to stamp this. We're not going to see this. It's going to be on the bottom of the card or the envelope. So we are going to use the snowflake stamp from the kit, and we are going to decorate the envelope, which will be our gift bag. So I'm just going to pop some snowflakes in. Some of them will be covered up. You can do the sides if you want to. The sides will be seen a little bit. So we can just keep stamping away here. Put one on the overlap. Let's put one there and one there. And if we want to, we can do the back as well. So you don't have to, but you absolutely can. So we'll just keep decorating this up, and you can use whatever stamps you like. You could put the Merry stamp all over it. You could put the Ho 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 stamp all over it. Whatever you want to do. So we're going to make the gift bag itself now. So what we need to do is we need to kind of open it up. I've got my hand inside, and I just want to start pushing on this bottom fold here, the bottom crease, and just kind of push it until I get to where it joins the bottom crease. So pushing on the side creases, trying to create that base. So I'm just going to pop that in and then just press it up into the corner like that. Okay, so now you've got a flap to fold over. Do the same thing on the other side. It just takes a little bit of persuading, and then give it a bit of a squish to make that pointed corner. And there you go. You can take some tear and tape, and this is actually left over from a previous paper pumpkin kit. I think it might have been the Halloween one when we were making the boxes. Okay, so just putting a hand inside, folding that down, giving it a good push, and then just sealing the corners there. Okay, I'm just going to make sure my corners are well squished. And then I'm going to add another piece of the tear tape, like that. Peel the backing off, and give that a good push as well. And if you want to, you can actually put it down and see how you've got now. It looks like a fries container, but you're going to take your side pieces here and you're actually going to fold them in on themselves. And then you can fold the top of the envelope over like that, and you now have a gift box. So we need to decorate the front of this. You can decorate it before you fold it up, or you can decorate it after. I thought it might be easier to decorate it after with when I had everything in place. So I'm going to put the snowflake right there, and you might need to put your hand inside the box just to fix things down. And then I need to place my Ho Ho Ho, which will probably go there, and then Santa will kind of go over top like that. So I'm just going to, I've already attached it, the ho ho ho, to the vellum, following the same instructions that are in the kit for the projects in the kit about where to place the glue dots. And then I'm just going to place this down. Again, put my hand inside just to hold it up while I put the decorations on. I've dimensionalized the Santa, and I also stamped Santa's face on because they come blank, and you just stamp the face. So there we go. And then Santa can go right there like that. And then we fold that over. And to close this, you have two options. You can either wet the adhesive there, or you can grab a hole punch and you can punch a couple of holes. I'm going to put one there, and then I just need to lift up the snowflake. I should have punched the holes before I put the snowflake down because I don't want to punch the snowflake out. So I'm just going to see if I can get underneath that, like that. There we go. Yeah, perfection. And I've got a piece of ribbon. It's the Christmas red, real red ribbon. It's from the Christmas and fall seasonal catalog. It comes with the garden green ribbon as well. And I'm just going to feed that through the two holes like that. And if you've watched my previous videos, you know I am not clever with bows at all, but I am going to give it a whirl here. So I just need to do this and then make sure my ribbon's not kind of folded and all gibbled up. And there we go. There is our gift bag. Some nice red ribbon on it, and using all kinds of pieces from the October 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So this is what our gift bag looks like. You can put a couple of chocolates in there or a small present, and you're good to go. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more ideas.